Choosing the right installation tool is just as important as choosing the right smart band system. Here at HCL, we've developed 4 installation tool series with different applications and benefits. I'm Owen, the Technical Sales Manager at HCL Fasteners, and behind me we have the 1000, 2000, 3000 and 4000 series tools, and today I'm going to walk you through the benefits of each of them. This is the 1000 series tool, which is torque controlled, making it ideal when a guaranteed minimum tension is required. It comes in 2 size variants for the 32mm and 19mm smart band, compact and hybrid systems. One of the key features on this tool is the built-in cutting device, which can be operated with this handle, and it also has a cut prevention lever to prevent early removal of the band. Because this is a torque controlled tool, this can be used in virtually any environment, including subsea, and it will guarantee a minimum tension at the end of every tightening process. The 2000 series tool is our manual tensioning device. Unlike the 1000 tool, this doesn't have a minimum tension, but it is perfect for general usage and can be used in virtually any environment. The tool has a built-in cutter, and there are 4 variants available which cover the entire smart band and smart tie range. This can be used in any environment, including subsea, and it is perfect for rope access applications. If you're installing large volumes of banding, the 3000 series tool is the perfect option. This is a pneumatic tool which combines high speed with guaranteed minimum tension. Much like the other tools, it has a built-in cutting system. There are 4 different versions of this, which covers the smart band and smart tie range. This can go into many different applications, although it cannot be used subsea. However, because this is pneumatic, it can go into applications where battery-powered tools cannot go. The latest addition to our tooling range is the brand new 4000 series. This was developed to be a more cost-effective torque-controlled option for when customers require that guaranteed tension but do not need a robust tool like the 1000. This tool can also be used with standard hand tools such as a wrench or spanner. Compared to the 1000 series tool, installation may take a little longer and there is no built-in cutting mechanism. However, this does offer a great balance between performance and value. Much like the 1000 and 2000 series tool, this can be used in virtually all environments with limited underwater usage. This was a brief overview of the 4 series of installation tools. If you're still unsure of which is the right choice for you, please get in contact via hclfasteners.com and the sales team will be happy to advise you.